Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in tech sentiment, with a score of plus 0.05 and a momentum of plus 0.81 over the last 24 hours. This isn't just a standard fluctuation, it indicates a significant uptick in positive sentiment compared to our historical baseline. What does this mean for you? Our API returns rich insights, categorizing this sentiment into 20 semantic clusters, allowing you to dissect public opinion effectively. Imagine integrating this into your application to fine-tune investment strategies or enhance user engagement. By leveraging these insights, you can tailor your content or product offerings in real time, aligning more closely with current tech sentiment. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for all the details and start building with us today.